Amid COVID-19 pandemic, the world is facing a shortage of medical instruments. As COVID-19 is a respiratory viral infection, the need of ventilators has increased exponentially. The cost of available high-end ventilators is around 5 to 7 lakh. Thus, there is a need to develop cheap and easy operated ventilators, especially for rural areas. One such available ventilator is the manual resuscitator, in which a person is supposed to press an ambibag continuously to supply oxygen to the patient. To reduce the human efforts and fatigue, we at IIT Ropar have developed a setup in which the mechanism used squeezes the ambibag. Hence, an automated resuscitator is developed. The mechanism can simultaneously squeeze two bags which benefit two patients at a time. This setup finds its explicit application in the railway coaches turned into isolation wards considering the space arrangement. Presently, there are three sizes of ambibags being used in the health sector for adults, pediatrics and infants. To accommodate this requirement, the mechanism is developed such that it can include different sizes of the bags individually depending upon the age and lung capacity of the patient. Also, the two bags attached can work individually with varying compressions to provide different artificial breaths. The setup can be operated at different required speeds. The efforts are underway to add more functionalities to the setup. The total cost of setup including the bags available in local market is 3000 rupees, which is 1500 rupees per person. The setup was completely developed out from scrap in merely 2 days. In addition to this, the development of indigenous ambibag is also under process. When developed, the cost of the complete setup will get drastically reduced. This low-cost ventilator will prove to be a significant step in a fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.